Wolseley in Sydney, Nova Scotia sold me this Alubase ALU-S2642. I think I paid about $400 for it. They gave it to me, and his list was $460 or $470. So they gave me a really good deal, and installed it. It worked out quite well. Here's our 18,000 BTU KERR heat pump. This is how we end up mounting. I believe this is supposed to be up on the inside of here, but this unit's a little taller, so to gain the height we needed, I put them underneath, and it looks just fine. The whole thing turned out pretty good. Covers the machine very well. Good clearance, I believe. I could have moved it over. I did this in the dark, so I missed my mark by I wanted to be over another inch and a quarter this direction, but it works really well. We got wind gusts here right now, 90 kilometers per hour, and this thing is quite solid. Seems to be holding up really well. So we'll see what. I guess only time will tell. Looks like it's going to be here for quite a while.